Keba kithikero na methori bikojeri kiri maromba ya kuromberana bamunini wa speaker Mwendali barabatutigire nyuma ya mutino yo barabara maromba ya yathithiritwe muchini munene wa Nairobi atungire bameru bariugane ndio chunkoni mutino yoyo bathire kwithira nende bukibuthakwa kenda kumenya umapupuongwa mwanikitwandeto Boniface Mongera na ukari ki maromba ya
ni kirikio thurono kiegongonere maromba ja muthia jatigiri Melissa Mwenda bena Patricia Mwenda barana ba MC kumarotero anje Mwendali kanisa ni MC Keru Haraka aja Nairobi.
They shall not be consumed with grief, but Father, you give them the strength.
Maromba jarale akiona kithikiro gikinge ende ithana ku are baba ibara Pedro Bakiaria amwa munjo kanisa bona Reverend Matombe baraborererie na ukiriria familia Mwenda.
I know you come through for you and you show you new mercies, because he says his mercies are new every morning.
We have really walked a journey together. It's not easy. It's a difficult situation. But we have been praying God that all be well.
I can only imagine what Ali is feeling. I can only imagine what the mother of the little angels is feeling. We all can only imagine.
Nonto na kuatere kulingana na Biblia yukule Isaya 55 kamotonyero kainyanya mwaka kenda ikaririte bobwega kura kule Murungu biro nto mathithia jawe na ndororo bwantu baba inge barori ngaithiro kithio ndi bwawe na ithiro akionania uma egoro yuko yatona tuzo twire.
If he was here, we would really grill him to tell us why this happened. But he is not here because the ways of God are not our ways.
If this accident was man-caused, may the person and the perpetrators of this vice never find peace. May they never find peace if it was designed by someone. But if it was God's doing, we accept the will of God and move on.
But if it is politics which is going to kill our kids, then we'd rather not do politics, because I think that is completely out of this. And if that is the case, then the investigative agencies should do something about it.
Korerwa MC Mwendo na mutino jo mibiri bidiri haretete tona toto atoire tuja gukethengina ore wari akombora cibitari ine na bati nthuku batakinyire Mwenda na gwatire ngurario kiongo na kogoro nethira kimama cibitari mwankara ethira kiamburwa ntukwegoro.
And all those who are behind it will be known during daytime, and the people end up knowing the truth. So the peace which we have been looking for in Meru, the tormentors who have been tormenting Meru people, these incidents and the brand of these little girls won't be upon them. They will not rest in peace. Let's not assume things. When things happen deliberately, and they can be seen that they have happened deliberately, we should not assume.
All Meru leaders are united, except one who is not with the others. So Meru, we are united, and the death of these two kings has made our resolve even more stronger to remain united and to move forward united.
Watoto wako ni malaika wako mbinguni, wanakuombea, wanakuangalia, na wakukuguza tena ama kufikiria mabaya, will be in trouble, because the security in heaven is bigger than the security on earth.
Gongona ria muthia ria kuringire mutigiri Patricia na Melissa rikethiro ithikanja kwa roterwa njia Igembe Central ndukonjo mose kimegeke. Ke reporter Antoshero TV kumaje kingine ngine kine kimusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.